Hi guys! Today we're going to the church. Kailan natin yung drum. Kailan tayo yung drum. And today is Victory, the 4th time mag-church. Kasi wala kasama, walang asawa ko. Nasa bundok siya ngayon, may inaasikaso sa. So ako na muna for today. So we're here, nasa Grab. Nagkakabalik na natin guys. Dito na tayo sa unit. Nawiran na rin ako agad kasi baka inaantay na ako ni Tuldo. Ano naman yun? Napaka-clingy ng aso na yun. Tuldok! Tuldok! Ano, Tuldok? Nakaabang na yun. Tuldok! Hello! Hello, Tuldok! Hello! Hello! Ajing, ajing! Ajing, 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 ajing! Ajing, 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 ajing! Ajing, 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 ajing! Halika na! Halika na sa loob! Oh, di ba? Ang kalat mo na naman. Puro kalat ka na naman. Ang dami mo na naman kalat. Ha? Hi. So, we're back. Is Tuldok. Hello, I'm Tuldok because I have Tuldok. Siya po ay isang Jack Russell Terrier. 2-month-old baby, pero ang laki ng tummy. So, right now, it's Sunday. This is my favorite Bible. Look at the color, it's so nice. It's full siya pink and makapal siya guys. The reason bakit makapal tong Bible na to is meron siyang explanation bawat verse. So, may mga part na dito, say for example, diba syempre ang hirap basahin ng Bible. So, nakakatuwa dito is may mga explanation siya sa ilalim. Bakit ganun? Ba't yun yung wording? Saan yung lugar na yun? So, ayan. Ganda. Ganda siya. Kaya medyo makapal nga lang siya tsaka mabigat. But it's a nice Bible. I just bought this 3 weeks ago ata. So, bagong bili ko lang sa kanya. Kasi yung Bible ko last time, nabili ko pa yun from Australia. That was like mga 8 years ago na ata. And luma na siya. So, I just wanted to have a new book. Ayan siya. Ngayon, so I just wanted to respond to the message of this, locked profile in Facebook. Sabi niya, okay na ako sa concern sa mga newbie, sa trading, at nagbibigay ng awareness sa mga katulad mong alam mo na yourself. Alam mo na yourself. Well, you have a valid point. Pero if we're gonna be looking at it closer, there's a big difference between genuine concern for newbie and building a platform by dragging others down. Kasi if you're gonna just observe lang yung account ni Kokay, his entire content revolves around hate, mocking fellow traders, and riding controversies. For what? Just to sell his own course? That's not advocacy. That's marketing masked as morality. Kasi guys, concern without respect is honestly just noise. And if we are calling for awareness, it should uplift the industry, not divide it. That's not advocacy. It's hypocrisy. But syempre, above all, I wanted to focus on people na natutulungan ko. So, kung hindi kita natutulungan, siguro wag ka na dito sa page ko. Huwag na lang sa page ko. At the end of the day, syempre, you have the choice to actually block people that you do not like. If you do not like me, and I'm not helping you, feel free to scroll up because you're not my audience. And ako, I'm always blessed for people who appreciate me, who value what I give, who stays with the community, because they know for a fact that we are here not to pull others down, but to uplift everyone and make money from this industry. And yes, alam ko na myself because I give value to other people. So I know my value. Kaya for those people who can relate, you're being attacked by people who do not really know you. Never ever base your identity on what other people say. Their opinion are just reflection of their perspective, not your truth. Your worth comes from who you are and what you stand for and how you choose to live. Never from the labels others put on you. OMG, grabe. Ang lakas ng ulan. Grabe. Look at that. Tignan niyo yung hangin. Oh. I hope everyone's okay, guys. Grabe yung ulan. Pasok, pasok. Pasok ka dun. Pasok. Dun sa loob. Mababasa ka. Grabe guys. Ang lakas ng ulan. Stay safe, everyone. One thing that I will be introducing to you guys is si FXRE. Actually, si FXR is one of the best EA provider here in the Philippines. So, sa mga galit na galit dyan about EAs, meron talagang perfectong EA. Siyempre, kapag you're expecting an EA na malaki yung income niya, then definitely, there's a high chance na siyempre, malaki rin yung maging losses niya. Kasi yung risk-reward niya, kapag malaki income niya, then definitely, it's risking more. However, with FXRE, sobrang dami nilang mga EAs na talagang tumagal na like more than 3 years na iba. Sobrang antatagal na talaga. Though kumikita lang siya ng mga roughly around mga 2%, 5%, pero ano, ang kulit. Oh, kulit. Kulit ni Tuldak. Kulit niya. Kumikita lang siya ng mga girl lang, pero kasi yung risk niya rin is mababa. And they have this new product wherein sobrang natutuwa ako kasi ang ganda niya. Say, for example, ito, nagbato siya ng signal ng sell sa BTC. So, pinasok ko to, and ayan guys, nagpo-profit na siya ngayon ng $18 na tayo ngayon sa BTC. Ngayon ay Sunday ha. And the good thing about this is, nagtitrail na siya, kumbaga, minimum titrail, parang sumusunod na yung SL niya. So, say for example, meron akong positive na income, ititrail niya na yung SL nun, isusunod niya na yung SL. So, kahit na mag-reverse yung market, secured mo na yung profit mo, yun yung kinaganda nito. Automatic na siya. As they also have here, wherein, ito naman nagbabato to ng signal. Ang ginagawa nito, ayan, say for example, ito, nakakita ka ng ganyan, ng mga kulay, parang red na dot na ganyan. This is an indication of sell, ayan, pwede ka na mag-sell daw kapag ganyan. So, kapag ganito naman yung nakita nyo, hanap pa tayong iba. Ay, puro sell kasi yung mga binabato niya. Pero ito, ayan, nagbato siya dito ng buy. Ayan, nakita nyo color blue. Pag blue naman yung beto niya, ibig sabihin mag-buy ka daw dyan, ayan. So, kumbaga, pang additional confluence ko. Siyempre, I don't want you guys to rely on this system alone. Siyempre, I want you guys to understand and support your systems, even the basic guys, para at least hindi kayo nagka-copy blindly. And the best part is, ayan, no, meron kasi siyang alert. So, makaka-receive ka, pag naka-install to sa account mo, sa MT5 mo, or meron kang XS account, naka-install yan, marireceive mo to. Ito siya guys, FXRE. Yan. Ayan, si Coach Edsel. Ayan, meron siya orientation. Ayan. Siguro gagawa ko ng separate na video wherein I will be teaching you on how to use this FXRE account or dashboard kasi meron silang dashboard dito, ayan, na pwede nyo magamit yan. Meron yung mga different courses na ito, coaching courses. Pwede kayo magpa-appointment ng coaching dyan. Tapos, ayan, merong basic forex trading course. Next time, gagawin ko na separate na video to para at least maturo ko sa inyo kung paano kayo makakapag-avail dito sa FX Robot Empire. This is highly recommended, guys. Most especially if you guys are busy kasi they have lots of EAs available for your automated trading. But then again, syempre, ibig sabihin automated siya, guaranteed profit na siya. But if you wanted to start your FX Robot Empire journey, ilalagay ko sa comment section yung guide kung paano kayo makakapag-start or saan kayo makakapag-inquire para diretso nyo na makontak sila Coach Edsel. So, yan lang, guys. Remember, trading is risky. Hindi naman kailangan sundan lahat ng mga sinasabi ko. I can be right, I can be wrong. As long as you apply proper risk management, you put the money that you afford to lose, and you keep on studying, I believe you can be successful in this trading industry without pulling other people down. So yun lang guys, good luck and happy Sunday everyone.